Hi everyone, my name is Suki. I'm going to present my final project. My topic is break-even point and maximize profit of VV bubble tea. I reference to these two websites. This one is the VV bubble tea official website. I found the drinks from this website. The another one is the website I used to find the material of making the drinks. Let's look at the first tab. I include 4 types of drinks: bubble milk tea, Thai milk tea, Oreo cookies rush, and mango tea. Bubble milk tea is sold at $4.5 per cup, and its cost of goods sold is $0.9. Thai milk tea is sold at $5.55, and its material cost is $1.2. Oreo cookies rush is sold at $5.7, and its material cost is $1.4. And the last one, mango tea, is sold at $5.1, and its material cost is $1. In order to make these 4 drinks, this is the materials. Include the bread tea, water, pillows, whole grain, sugar, taro powder, jasmine green tea, honey, Oreo cookies, crust Oreo cookies, white chocolate chips, fat-free milk, ice, mango nectar, fresh mint leaves, and mango. In order to find out the maximum profit of net sales per day, we use the solver to find out the best solutions. We set the objective of cell C31, this one, to maximize by changing variable cells C11 to F11, subject to the constraints. Inventory use should be equal or more than 0. Inventory left should be equal or more than 0. Then we hit the solve and we get the answer. The maximum profit net sales per day is $613. In order to achieve this amount, we need to sell 42 bubble milk tea every day, 75 Thai milk tea, 0 Oreo cookies rush, and 33 mango tea every day. This is the answer report generated from the solver. This is the final value of net sales bubble milk tea. This is the variable sales, daily quantity of each type of drink, and this is the constraints. After I use the solver to find out the maximum profit, I also use GoSeek to do the break-even analysis. Break-even means the total gross profit equals total expense, so our net income will be equal to 0. Let's look at the first part, net sales per day. We operate the business for 365 days every year, and then we times the 2 amounts together, get the gross profit. The expense include the fixed costs, marketing 3,000, equipment 3,000, rent 65,000, salary 100,000, insurance 50,000. The total fixed cost is around $200 and the variable cost utilities per day is $150 every day. Total expense equals $285,950 per day, the whole year. The GoSeek is under the what-if analysis. We set the cell equal to E21 to value 0 by changing the cells E3, net sales per day. Then we hit OK. After the calculation, we get the answer of net sales per day equal to $783. And our net income will be equal to 0. Besides that, I also use the data to make a break-even analysis chart. From the chart, it's very clear to see that between the amount 750 and 800, our gross profit line and total expense line, they interrupt each other. So this is the break-even point. In conclusion, Solver and GoSig are two very useful tools that we can rely on to solve the problems, especially using in the operation of a business. They save a lot of time and work for human beings from complicated calculations. For using the solver, it helps to find out the maximum profit under the constraint of inventory on hand. Therefore, if we compare the this result from the actual sales of operations, then we will know we are profiting or losing. We should use it a lot in our daily life because it makes the whole calculation automatic and saves a lot of time. For GoSig, it is helpful too. For example, I use it to calculate the break-even point for the final project. It did make the whole process and calculation simple, and gives me the exact number of net sales per day. If we get the actual net sales per day below than the result from the GoSig, then we will know we are operating in a loss. On the other hand, if our actual sales is above than the GoSig answer, we are operating in a profit. Thank you so much for watching my video and have a good day.